Cardano is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. That's what I like to see. 81.6% of you have not subscribed. So that means we are chipping at this slowly. So make sure to hit that red button. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Cardano, we are testing a very crucial support level here at 31 cents. Ideally, what we were looking for was that nice bounce opportunity and then the continuation. And this is a very crucial point for Cardano. There are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, being the fact that although we did see this bounce formation followed by a nice move using these EMAs as support, we have to be very careful here. The reason why is we still have this 4-hour Bart formation, which I did mention in yesterday's video could be a possibility. For those of you that don't know what a Bart formation is, think of the Simpsons character Bart with his hairstyle. It looks something like this. These sort of Bart formations play out a lot in the cryptocurrency markets, and as of right now, we do have that manipulation candle as well. So if Cardano cannot break above our 34-cent resistance level, ladies and gentlemen, we could be looking for a possible pullback all the way down here to 28 cents before we see that continuation. In terms of the bullish case scenario though, although if we do see a nice pump upwards as the cryptocurrency markets are pumping, Bitcoin of course just hit 19,000, we could be looking for an explosive move. The reason why is of course we still, in terms of short squeeze, we haven't really seen one on Cardano, although we did have a massive over position of course in terms of leverage, right? A lot of traders here were over leveraged. They were shorting, and again hoping for the fact that Cardano would create a new leg to the downside, but instead we had this beautiful V-shaped formation play out. Now zooming out of the chart, we could be looking for an explosive move, possibly all the way up here to where the FTX drama happened at 44 cents. So something to keep in mind, and this would not be the first time we actually saw a massive short squeeze on Cardano. Zooming out of the chart here, you can see we did see the same sort of formation all the way up here, and this is exactly a perfect opportunity to kind of explain this bar as well. You can see that once we hit our crucial support here at 34 cents, we saw a massive move within 2 days hitting all the way up to 44 before this Bart formation played out. Now, I would not be surprised if we were in the same situation as we were over there, where we actually see that same sort of format hitting all the way up to 39 cents before we see that continuation, because of the fact that we are seeing bullish volume come into the market. This is not a fake out opportunity just yet, because of the fact that these candlesticks are extremely large. Although we are in overbought territory, we have to keep in mind that right now a lot of people are turning bullish, and Bitcoin has been dropping for over a year from all the way to 65,000. This would mean that of course we are, in terms of shorting positions, in massive shorting opportunities. You can see for Cardano we have been in a massive downtrend as of right now. So the market tends to do opposite of what everyone else is thinking, and right now there were a ton of people looking to short the market, and including in terms of my price analysis, I mentioned to you guys that this would not be a surprise if we saw a short squeeze before the continuation to the downside. I don't necessarily think the bottom is in just yet, but I do think the markets do need a strong relief rally, pretty much wreck all retail traders, and then the continuation to the downside. The question will of course be, where exactly will this rally end? And as of right now, in terms of take profit level for the bullish case, we are looking at 42 cents. Now in terms of the bearish case scenario, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, where exactly would I be start entering my shorting positions? Like I said, pay very close attention to this 34-cent resistance, see how this level plays out, and of course if we start to see that rejection candlestick, this would be a lovely opportunity for that continuation. My overall target still remains down here at 13 cents in terms of a capitulation, but as of right now, if Cardano were to look at an explosive move, we could be looking for a possible move once once again to these resistance areas here around the 40 to 45 cents. The reason why is you guys can see that these are major daily resistance levels, and the fact that Cardano is in a continuation stage right now, not in a fake out opportunity. Usually when we see a fake out, we tend to have a beautiful move followed by a small pullback and then a straight move to the downside. But as of right now, we can see that Cardano has been using these exponential moving averages as support for quite a while. Even on the hourly time frames, you can see that although we do have this beautiful Bart formation at play, we have to wait for confirmation before we actually enter. Because of the fact of how volatile it is in this range, we want to be careful about entering that position and obviously not getting wrecked. What we are waiting for is a clean break below this support level here at 30 cents. Any break below that level would mean that this Bart formation is looking to play out, so pay very close attention to how this level plays. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.